had a wonderful experience with Denora, our guide. She was very knowledgeable of the local history and an expert guide through the winding aisles of the Central Market. We enjoyed tasting the exotic fruits, sorbet, tamale, empanada, chocolate-covered cacao bean, and pea-berry coffee. So much food. There was plenty of time at each spot. Our favorite was the stop at Mr. Sloth Coffee. We most enjoyed the cooking demonstrations and the coffee tasting. Lovely tour, the places chosen were great, and the tastings at the market and cafes were fantastic. Extremely well organized. We felt very safe. A great way to familiarize yourself with Central San Jose. We enjoyed the blend of history, local hotspots and the coffee and lunch experience. This family tour company finished at the family-owned coffee shop. The food was very good. Tamale. Street taco. Coffee tasting. Everything was homemade and you get to make your own empanada. Excellent, a lovely guide who had so much to teach us. We also visited some of the city's points of interest. For those just passing through San Jose for a day, it provides a great overview. Great exposure to two different San Jose markets. The guide was informative and made the tour fun. Enjoyable food. Our guide, Daniel, is very knowledgeable and attentive to everyone. The tour was very engaging, tasty food and coffee, and a great value. I loved the history, the combination of history and food links and of course the tastings. Hands-on preparation was fun and easy and tasting fruits I don't have in my own country was interesting. Lovely walking tour around the local markets. Best fruit tasting and self-made empanadas including coffee. Was great to see a different side of the capital city NCR. Research where the meeting place is, look at a photo on Google. Some of our group were unsure of the location. Bring a raincoat. It was my first time visiting Costa Rica, and I wanted to learn more about the country. Walking around downtown San Jose gave me the perfect opportunity to experience and understand the local culture. I don't think there could have been a better way to explore the city. The exotic fruit tasting and the culinary experiences with Costa Rican food and coffee at the markets and cafes were both fun and informative. 3 hours flew by so quickly. Our guide was incredibly passionate, teaching us so much while keeping the tour engaging and enjoyable. This is truly a tour I would highly recommend to anyone visiting Costa Rica.